If oils aren't helping your skin barrier, it's not because they don't work. It's because they're being chosen for the wrong reason. Most people choose oils based on how they feel, not how they function in the skin. Fast absorbing oils will feel elegant, but many won't stay in the skin long enough to support real barrier repair. These light oils will absorb quickly, even evaporate, leaving the skin barrier just as vulnerable as before. Barrier supportive oils slow water loss and reinforce the lipid matrix over time. Texture matters far less than function. I share oil combinations designed for real barrier repair inside my formula kit linked below.